What's going on, everybody? Chinedu here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with the GrooveFunnels affiliate program. I will leave links in the description if you want to join GrooveFunnels either through the free plan or the one-time lifetime access. Before getting started, why don't you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. So what is GrooveFunnels? As you can see here, it is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that will allow you to sell any product or service online. So it is a comprehensive, complete package. With GrooveFunnels, you do not need to buy any other software. Once all the apps have been developed, it will be an all-in-one package, very robust and very comprehensive. So you can see here, you can build brand websites, funnels, and blogs. You can sell digital and e-commerce products. You can do email marketing and automation. You can build powerful membership sites. You can have an affiliate management program, and you can do automated webinars, video hosting, and more. So in total, there'll be about 18 apps on GrooveFunnels. So you can see all the functionality here. You can create websites and funnels with GrooveFunnels. You can have a shopping cart to sell any product or service with GrooveSell. There's an affiliate program with Groove Affiliate. You can do email automation with an autoresponder service with GrooveMail. Membership CMS allows you to create products like digital products and online courses with GrooveMember. Video hosting on GrooveVideo, so you can host videos with GrooveVideo. You can build an e-commerce business with GrooveCarts. You can do live webinars with GrooveWebinar Live. You can have automated webinars with GrooveWebinar Auto. And if you come down the list, you can do live streaming with GrooveWebinar Stream. You can have a help desk. There's a help desk with GrooveDesk. Booking and scheduling with Groove Calendar. You can do surveys with Groove Survey, and you can add purchase pop-up with Groove Pop-up. So you can see it is a very comprehensive package once all these apps come on stream. At the time of doing this video in August 2021, these are the apps that are fully developed. So you have Groove Pages for building your funnels and websites. There is GrooveSell to sell digital products and affiliate management program. There's Groove Affiliate, which is the affiliate program, which I will come to in a minute. GrooveMail allows you to set up email marketing automation. GrooveMember is to create membership sites to sell online courses. You can host videos, which is a great advantage of GrooveFunnels. You can also create blogs with GrooveBlog. So these are the apps that are currently developed, and the rest will be added on a regular basis. So eventually this will be a very comprehensive platform. GrooveFunnels has two packages. So there's a free membership or a lifetime paid membership. Here currently you pay a one-time fee to become a lifetime member. The lifetime membership gives you unlimited access to all the apps which I've showed you. The life plan, you're allowed 3 websites or funnels. You can sell unlimited products. You will join the affiliate program, but I will come to the details in a minute. You can host 15 videos, 1 membership site, and you can have 500 contacts with the GrooveMail, the email service. And as we come down here, you can create 1 blog with the free site and unlimited blogs with the unlimited plan. So with the affiliate program, the commission follows which plan you join. So you can see here with the free plan, you don't have to put in your credit cards to become a free plan member. It's completely free to join. With the free plan, you will get a 20% commission if somebody upgrades to the lifetime plan, which currently costs $1,397. So with the free plan, you get a 20% commission, which is $279.40 for each time somebody upgrades through your link. You do not get a second tier payment with the free plan. Now, there's something called the assist, which means if you bring in somebody through the free plan and they upgrade through another member, you will still get a 10% commission, which is $137. So it's a very useful way to get people in. So when they upgrade, either through you or through someone else, you will still get a payment. If they can upgrade through you, you'll get 20%, but through a different member, you will get 10% commission. Now, coming to the lifetime member plan, you get a 40% commission when somebody upgrades through your link. That means you get $558.80 for each upgrade. In addition, you get a 10% second tier payment, which means if a membership that comes in through you, and then somebody upgrades through their own link, you will get a 10% commission to the second tier. With the assist program, if you bring in a free member and they upgrade through someone else, you will still get a 20% commission, which is $279. So everybody wins with this affiliate program. If you bring in a life member, if they upgrade through you, you get paid. If they upgrade through someone else, you still get paid. So it's a very unique affiliate program, and you can see why it is quite attractive. Other things to mention about the GrooveFunnels affiliate program is that you are cookied for life, which means when somebody comes in through your link, they stay with you for life. That means that if they buy other products from GrooveFunnels, you will get affiliate commissions for life. You are paid weekly, which again is quite unique because a lot of affiliate programs will pay you monthly. So here you get paid weekly. Now, the lifetime plan goes up in price from the 1st of September 2021 to $1,997. So that's an increment of $600. So if you want to get in, if you're watching this video and you want to get the lifetime plan before the 1st of September, you should do so because the price will go up by $600 after the 1st of September. And from what I understand, the lifetime plan will be withdrawn by the end of 2021. So from the end of the year, it will be a monthly subscription, and the platinum plan will be $297 per month. So this is a good time to lock in into the lifetime plan, one-time payment, and that locks you in for life. You get all the upgrades. As an affiliate, how do you promote GrooveFunnels? This is a diagram that is very useful for affiliates to market GrooveFunnels. Choose one platform. It could be a blog, could be TikTok, could be YouTube, it could be Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook. Create content on any of these platforms, and then you're going to drive traffic to a landing page. Here you will collect emails on the landing page or opt-in page. And then you're going to set up an email automation that will send emails to your list, and a lot of sales will come through your email marketing. From the opt-in page, you will direct your leads to a bridge page or sales page. Here, you should have a short video and some text describing GrooveFunnels and the product and talking about yourself, a bit about yourself. And if somebody buys or upgrades, you get paid a commission. So this is how you should grow your GrooveFunnels affiliate business by creating content, driving traffic to an opt-in page, collecting emails, building email sequences, and then for those that go onto the landing page, some may buy and you get paid a commission. So I hope this video is useful if you're hoping to build an affiliate marketing business promoting GrooveFunnels. I will leave links in the description to join GrooveFunnels either with the free plan or with the lifetime one-time payment that gives you access to all the apps and all the future upgrades. There is also a link to all the bonuses I'm giving for people that upgrade through my link. If you have any questions or any queries, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer all of them. Remember to like this video, also subscribe to my channel and bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.